Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone's doing good. Hope everyone's ready to trade and do a good job and simply be the best version of ourselves with patience and discipline. So we're gonna get started. But just before we get started, just gonna allow everything to load. I'll take a little bit of water because I'm pretty feeling dehydrated right now. Okay. I wanted to show you these real quick. This is my journal, right? And my check-ins. I stopped doing it because, I've been really just doing the stream. I don't know, I was thinking about it today. And then I have the EQ one, which I put away, but it's like double checking. Okay, let's get started. So here on the 1 week and 1 day, we had a little bit of a push from yesterday, and the sellers are already stepping in. We still have this resistance here that has been pretty strong. Okay, nothing crazy. Just get to the 4 hour, 1 hour. Consolidation at the top. Buyers came in. Consolidation. Buyers. Sellers came in, and we're consolidating here. Sellers may come in again. And this consolidation here matters. And here we have support which was shown. So I want to see how we react here. In this region, it's like sellers did take control, but it's like been hard for them to push. You see a lot of volatility around here. And then on the 1 week, it's really just this whole area. So we're going to the 50-minute, 30-minute. Really just like consolidation. Buyers came in around 3:30. I have to double check. I don't remember. Liquidity 3:30. So 8 p.m. to 2 a.m. to 5. It was London session. Okay. Okay. Now let's get to the 1 minute, 5 minute. Also, I will take it slower this today, so that means the stream will likely be longer. Just sitting on my hands and waiting longer for a setup rather than I feel like my trades have been really focused around 9:45 to max 10. I'm gonna try to wait longer. I think it would help, just because the past 1 week it's not been too good, so I'm gonna try this. But if it does stand out at 9:45, like I won't be like hesitating. Like I mean, I'll be like, okay, that makes sense. If it makes sense, there's no harm. Oops. Ow. Okay. We have yesterday's, no, sorry, Tuesday's Valley area that we traded a bit, and on ES2. Sellers are cleaned here very nicely, and buyers are trying, but you can see it's not very clean. There's liquidity lower. Liquidity is still lower. Aggressive buyers are getting absorbed. We're under point of control. Let's see how this candle closes. Mm. Okay. Buyer sellers accelerated. Difficult. That was hmm. Yeah. Just trying to understand the structure too. Um, could argue a little bit of PO3 with a manipulation down was just a liquidity sweep. Turtle soup. Consolidated. Had a second leg structure. Buyers came in. But that trick that buyers played there, I didn't expect it. And then we had a little bit of a second leg, like a little bit of a retest on VWAP, and we're pushing higher now. We're just above VWAP, the other VWAP, and there's two VWAPs, one on order flow and one on my chart here. I think the one on my chart is anchored to the opening, and this one I think is anchored to pre-market. So both are pretty valid. So I'm greenlighted a trade, but doesn't mean that I'll be acting anytime soon. No rush. Wow. Yeah, it's not very clean too. I'm also interested in no trade if that's what calls for. Completely acceptable. Like the direction is not clean and I gotta have a good read over the market if I want to take a trade, and that's not happening right now. There's liquidity lower. I think this might be another sweep. Mm, Let's see if buyers get absorbed. Another absorption, another absorption. Getting absorbed very well. Okay. Retesting period of absorption. Buyers holding well. There they come. Not clean, to be honest. See if you hold VWAP. Like, I feel like if I were to say that I want to take a trade now, I feel like I would have put a trade right now. But then I'm like, you know what? I got time and it's not even that high quality. I think I just need to train my brain that it's okay to wait longer. Like, I feel like I've been really leaving quickly. That's fine. Maybe it's something to do with the stream too. But at the end of the day, no one's watching. It's like, I'm really by myself, so it's like doesn't really. I mean, I guess it's public, but that's okay. If someone does tune in, I would be happy get to talk to someone while I'm just sitting here. Yeah, not clean right now. Let's look a little bit at the higher time frames as well. Yeah, nothing really yet. See how this candle closes. But just a lot of selling pressure right now, and it's just like buyers are holding well. Liquidity that got what's the word again? Spliff? No, I don't remember. Well, it got like it was there and then it was not there. Guess the buyer stepping in, a little bit of absorption. Yeah, I would see sellers coming, taking to this to view up. A little quick, actually, no, okay. Nice close. See a little bit of retest of view up. Hmm. It's a push down to test view up. So yeah, the accumulation and push out. I don't like the structure around here. Just not trusting it. That's something I would feel like I would have taken, but I'm just like, nah, let's just wait. Like if there's no trade, there's no trade. That's fine. But I'm liking that. I'm feeling actually better. Just telling myself that I can wait. I don't know. I feel like I needed that. I don't know. Like there's another like I feel like there's always been a voice like, okay, you know, I think it's time. There's a breakout. Like that's how it be. But now I'm like, you know what? I got time. Like I don't. I can wait till 10:30. Like why am I going so soon? You know. But I don't know. I feel good about that. I think it's just because like I know like I don't have to be so. I can be more selective. You know. I can just chill here. I like this. I can have my breakfast too, and I can have people may come and ask questions. And under the 200 EMA on the 50 minute and 30 minute, and on the 1 hour we're under the 100 EMA. There's some EMAs in there as around here too. This I want to see how we react here. There's liquidity at 900. Low volume node. Low volume node filled. You know what? Let's do some of the check-in questions. I'll do it with you guys. Check-in question 1. What do you feel? I feel like this could be a setup actually. Wait, I don't think I'll. But like I'm gonna backtest this instead of take the trade. But like this trade that goes to 9, so it'll be they front-funded. So I would be just targeting this. This is 15 points. Let's see if it plays out. So I'm feeling good. I like that. Feels like I gave myself more time, so that would have played out. Um, yeah, and the liquidity got filled. So I could have played that for, ooh, could have played that for 20 points, but I didn't know that. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I'm feeling good. What do you observe? I observe buyers slowly taking control. I don't trust so much. EMAs are being passed. That's good. Maybe a retest of this will be interesting. Another EMA right here that we just algoed into. It's not clean around here though. Wouldn't be surprised if sellers come in. Solid close. Liquidity higher too. Hmm. Seller stepping, getting absorbed a bit. Liquidity is right there too. Low volume node. Hmm. Trying to be careful of confirmation bias. Volume node. Oh, already played out. That was very quick. But that's, yeah, I like the setup, but it was too quick. That's okay. Very quick though. It was also 10 a.m. Nice little pullback. Would like to see buyers stepping right about here. If this candle closes nicely. Oh, move that to break even. No way, I didn't get filled. That sucks. How close was that? Doesn't even look like a tick. There you go. I was like, that was like a tick. It's kind of cool. Feels good. Take a good trade and be patient for it. Oh man, I needed that. I fucking needed. Sorry, FB needed that. Really needed to be patient. Really needed that. Wow. I don't know how why I needed that so much. I generally feel energized. I think I just needed to wait and not rush. That felt that felt right. Damn. Sound like an addict. No, don't go away. Don't go. No. Oh, and I messed up the charts. I don't know what's the optimized. This is good. I like when it's zoomed out more out. Then I'll do something like that, yeah. And this is nice. I really like order flow. There's liquidity higher. I'm happy I moved to break even because I was literally, I don't even know if it was a tick. Wow, look at that. Look at that breakout. But it makes sense. Like, fake out, like liquidity sweep, and then we push. Makes sense. Oh, we just basically played my original idea. Nice. So that should have been 20 points. A little bit more, but mm, I don't know where he sees value area low. Probably for him, it's like different volume. Okay. Oh yeah, no, I think I'm just, if I were to sum it up, I'm just happy about be patient. I'm gonna write that down real quick, just truly grateful for finally being patient and sitting till a valid setup and being calm and patient to wait. I really needed that. Okay, let's get out of here. Oh, you know what? Maybe I can do my diary with you guys. Okay. But this is why I love trading. It's just like you fine tune, you get better. You get to like, I don't know. It's just like it's just a nice skill. Like seeing, like if you just zoom out a bit, you see this like PO3 structure. We manipulated, buyers came in, then we distributed, and then we had like this fake out, like basically low volume nodes. Sellers came in, and then this did a huge liquidity sweep, which I was actually thinking to trade, but it happened too quick. And then you could see this amazing close. You take that because of the amazing close, did it play right back to the top of here, and boom, and then it's like playing all the way to the original idea of the pre-market lower liquidity, which basically Asia's lows. Nice. Beautiful, right? And we still got this low volume node right here, which like low volume right here. So if it does come lower, I like to see another, like, protection here. And what did I say? Yeah, just really nice. And just like that I was patient. The trade was still somewhat early, but it's just like patient. And I'm excited to be patient. It's Thursday, huh? So I have to tomorrow. Ah, I feel good though. Like it feels like it's Monday. Um, but yeah. Oh, sometimes I forget that like you're not seeing what I'm seeing. So I was explaining all of that, and you just saw this. Anyways, I gotta do outreach now. And see, this is if you guys can't see actually, to hide chats because I am on live stream. But basically, um, yeah, you can see it's protected, but Valley area flipped. So I'll just quickly show you guys, but then I get going. See, this low volume node is being protected. You can see buyer, the seller's tried, got absorbed. Buyer stepping in, but now Valley area flipped, and we're holding view up on ES. And it's definitely gonna be choppy right about now. It's a good time to walk away till the next acceleration. Oops. Nice. I'm just thinking. So, okay, let me just double check. So, just one sec, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna do those outreaches. Let me just tell you what I'm gonna do. How about that? Do I have a full photo of just my face? I don't, huh? I should have thought of that. Yeah, I don't. That's weird. You know what? I'm gonna add that right now. Just camera. Okay, I'm just gonna write cam only. Go to iPad, for example. Take the audio, put it here, and then take the camera and put it here. But I'm like the center, so I make myself really big. Oh, you probably can see me doing this, huh? Yeah. Yeah, you should be able to see this. Oh, I think that's good. Kind of black, but that's okay. It's one in the world. Could remove the thingy, but that's okay. So, guys, what I'm gonna do today is that I'm gonna do my outreach, but like I have to catch up on a few things. Like I want to file my taxes, but I don't think I'll have time today because it's not like an immediate thing to do. I want to get it done. The business development, that's honestly top list because I really got to move forward with the build. Like I have like some ideas to improve the quality, like a RAG, basically just personalizing and automating the automation to have like you know a better data to take from. Um, yeah, I think that's gonna be top priority because I want to get to doing that because once I can do that, I can have better sales copies because I have the final touch of the product. But I have to be careful of procrastination. So like, that's why I'm gonna do outreach, a little bit of outreach before I do it, just so that like I don't allow that to happen, right? So I'm gonna do a little bit of outreach, then I'm gonna do the business development, then I'll do even more outreach. Um, yeah. And oh yeah, I want to see if CBD. Okay, you know what? Let's do it together. Let's do this together. If anyone's here, what does the market profile do again? Let's see. Oh, that's cool. It's basically the DOM, right? But it's like so small. This is the thing. Like Bookmap takes a while to load up. Like, gonna wait. I don't want to add too many things too, just because I'm worried about That's weird. Okay. But what exactly is this? I think it's Dom. But like it's so small. This is so small. I don't even. And why do you just have arrows? I don't know. Um. Okay. I think this is. I think this is his volume. Like valley area. Show IB. Initial balance. That's cool. But initial balance hasn't come yet. So should it not be moving? What's going on? POC, yeah, it's basically what I have on TradingView. I don't want too much on my screen too. I'm gonna remove it. I also don't get why there's a bunch of just arrows. And like, it's so hard to read. It doesn't look like it's like done nicely. So let's look at the other one. So I came here to look for footprint also sucks. I tried that. Um I came here to see CVD. Cumulative volume delta. I don't think it is an add-on. I think it's just like it comes from the bottom here. What if I press this? Oh, it does come. But nothing's here. Hello? Oh, here it is. Mm, maybe I can make it smaller. Oops. I want it smaller.
Trade. Instrument. Cell 11.
Oh, you speak? No, 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 don't speak. Let's stop that. This is okay. How small can we go? Think that's good. Because I want it, but I don't want it like that bad. Because I want to start watching CVD just to help with the diversions. Like when we're trending up, but we're getting absorbed the whole time, CVD will be lower, but it will look bullish, so it will help. And like it goes for the opposite. So just want to see all the things it can do. I don't think footprint, because I tried footprint. I have footprint on TradingView, but it's an absolute nonsense. Okay, so Dom Pro, like, it's basically, yeah. I mean, I tried it. I have it actually. So let me just activate it. Allow this. Allow. and then enable for M and then Q, and I have it right here. So it's basically, I'll show you guys like which screen is this right here. So it's just like I now need another screen, right? But it's not about that. It's about like you got the order by bid, recent bid, last trade quantity, recent ask dep, order sell, sell, volume profile buy, volume profile delta. This is what I like, volume profile delta. And then the season volume profile. Like position Q and notes, I don't need it. How do I remove it? No. What did it do? What did it delete? What is it deleting? Oh, I think it's, oh, it refreshes it. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Why can't I remove this? I really don't need notes and position. Oh god. The thing is, the more things I add, and this is like, I don't think it's actually my computer's fault. I just think it's like, this is better to run on a Windows device. And it's just that, like, look, I just added this and it's just like, this is not clear. I don't even have my trading, my charts open. Yeah, I can't. Like, look at this. This is like, it's barely running. Of course, I got the stream, but I'm gonna keep the stream. Like, bookmap is only taking 50%. Okay, no, it's spiking to 132. But it just doesn't run very smoothly. What does that say? Suggest subsystem utilization gets 100%, won't be able to keep up. Wait, what? I want to do that. What are you talking about? Wait, give me a sec. Go away for a sec. Okay. Current utilization is 30%. Can I give you more CPU? I would love to, if I could. But you're kind of hiding from me, so I can't read you. That's my data, right? Yeah, I'm gonna have to remove, but I can't keep it. You see, the moment I close it, it's running so much better. It's just too many things, unfortunately, because it is useful, but it's not. It's useful, but like there's so you don't have to add more in order to trade better. But like, you know, maybe one day. I don't even know, like, even if I get a more powerful MacBook, it's still gonna not be able to run. I need a Windows, and I don't want to do Windows. I'm sorry, I just don't like Windows. I really like my MacBook. I love Mac OS. What does absorption indicator do? What do you do? Just tell me what you do. How do you mark the chart?
Example, absorption MNQH6 CME sellers at 50.
Mm. Do these things actually help? I don't know. Oh, why is my chart changed so much? Um, I should stop touching things. Yeah, like multi-count trading market pulse. Like, I don't know what that means. Like, I don't know. Like, I could just probably watch a video. Yeah, liquidity tracker free. Liquidity marker liquidation, large trade execution, execute, escape, BBO, chase, break even. Okay. Yeah. Well, let's just remove this. And how do I like remove you completely? Like, goodbye. Okay, market profile, bye-bye. Dom, you can stay just because you're really cool. Footprint, oh, uh, see, I already tried footprint. Zachy, what am I doing? Like, I feel this is procrastination. What am I doing? It's truly, it's 10:30. Let's get going now. Oh my god. Ugh. Like, it's pointless to have this. Pointless. Like, this is just like, I guess it's per minute. I don't know. It does not look helpful. It just looks like they stick some things on and then charge you a lot of money, which is not nice. Okay, so basically the add-ons, then we have this stuff, large lot tracker. I don't even know what this means. I don't even know what this does. I could do that. Like, you know, I can do that. I just want things to order book imbalance, volume bars, volume dots. Sure, just stay. Like, I don't think you're taking that much. It's running smooth. I just want it to run smooth. That's really it. Okay, let's get going. Yeah, that's it, guys. Basically, I got things to do. Oh, yeah, I don't want to show that. I mean, it's not like I'm hiding anything. It's just like, I don't know. I'm gonna be a little bit like, can't show the world. It's like, it's still public, right, Zaki? You know, be a little bit careful. Okay. Um, oh yeah. Wow, that's true. Episode 2 is lacking. Wait, episode 2. Episode 2. Yeah. That's gonna be an exciting one. I feel like that one I could get quick, but um, yeah, that one is gonna be. I need to work on that. It's already Thursday. Yikes! I posted a video on Monday. Yeah, I gotta get more consistent with YouTube. I feel like that's like, yeah, I'm okay with the live streams, of course, because it's like part of trading, but the other videos I want to get more consistent. Like I either spend too much time on scripting, or either I spend too much time on like, like just pointless things. I mean, I just need to do it. Like, of course, like I know, because this is the thing with new beginners in anything, that when you start something new, your brain is like, oh my god, there's so much knowledge. We need more knowledge in order to understand what we're doing. But like at the end of the day, like, yeah, but sometimes you just gotta get started and just like make like work with what you have, and you know, you don't have it figured out. And I think I'm going through that. Like, there's knowledge that, I could learn, but I don't need to. So, anyways, we're gonna do business development. That's highly important. So basically, how it's gonna go is I'm gonna go over the information that I got from the prospects, and then I'm going to summarize it. I'm going to make the final build, and then after that, I'm going to then grab new outreaches based off that, and then I'm going to then I'm good. Just more outreach and then increase outreach volume, and then I want to also use Claude Cowork to organize my desktop and downloads, because I that's something it can do for me. Like, I don't need to do that. And it's just like it's a mess. I do want to do that. And then OpenClaw, I really need to set it up, but I don't know. The only reason I've been hesitating to set it up is just because I'm trying to wait till more security fixes happen. Um, yeah. And then yeah, so that's basically it. Okay, we're good. I see what we have to do. I already have it written down. And I will exercise today. And yeah. Oh, perfect. We're good. Thank you guys for tuning in. I think this may be the longest stream. I don't know. Probably not. We'll see. How long has this been going for? Can I see? And throughout the whole stream, 0 views. Damn. Okay. Okay, guys. Take care. Have a good day. And thank you. I mean, I don't know, but one day someone will watch this, so I'm just preparing. Thank you guys for watching, and oh, that felt good, man. A good old stretch. Okay. Oh, damn! I forgot to eat my fruits. Okay, I'm gonna do that. But now let's get okay. Okay, that's a me problem. I'm gonna manage this, not a you problem. Okay, bye, guys. I'm like 15 seconds delay, so like. I already have it on low latency. I can go ultra high low latency. Okay, I'm gonna go now.